Well, here's Nokia Maps, and it's going to populate here. So think of this as your personal concierge. If you get dumped in New York City, like me, I'm from Dallas, not sure what to do. If I were to press that button here, it's going to look for nearby places and things to do. So it's going to populate things like transit, things to see, places to eat, places to rest my head, you know, those kind of things. I know I'm not on Wi-Fi right now. There's that. You want to? I don't know when you want to take pictures, so I just want to make sure I'm not. Okay. Okay. So then, like, let's just say Peter Luger looks like it's a 5-star restaurant. It's 2.6 miles away from here. If I go on in, it's going to tell me more about Peter Luger. So I can go through and find, if I need directions how to get there, it gives me a brief description of it, the phone number, opening hours, what kind of category it's in, and the website and email. And one of the cool things about this, not only the directions, which I'll show you here in a second, but you know, you have photos. So these are user-generated photos, people that are taking pictures of the restaurant or even their food. You can add your own.
Where does it get from? Is it a different service or something that's Nokia Map specific?
I'm not sure where the server is, but it's not Nokia 100% owned. So it's all shared user data. Again, same thing with the reviews. There's guides, so like if you wanted more, like there's Lonely Planet and Cities, so if you wanted an application for it, it kind of recommends some apps that are based on this search that we just did. And then also some nearby things, if I want to go to the Empire State Building, after do a little sightseeing before or after I eat, that's cool too. So one of the things in the directions, you'll see that this is very similar to what Microsoft has done with Local Scout. One of the things though that is improved and that we've got a little bit more data here. I mean, they did a great job, but we also have walking, public transportation, and drive.
Is it voice navigate, voice guide?
Yes. So in this one, it's turn by turn, but no voice guide. But if we go into drive, I'll show you the voice guided navigation.
All right.
So we go here and we get to drive.
Yeah, I like
Anything
it.
else?
And it's specific to Nokia Windows Phone.
That's correct, yes. So
So
here are with drive, so it shows where we're at. I can select 2D, 3D view, set my destination, some settings here. One of the nice things, as I was mentioning a little bit earlier, the maps, you can download either the full maps for US, let's say we're in New York right now, we'll do the New York data. You can choose a navigation voice, you can also download, I think there's like 40 some odd voice options you can choose as well, and then your units of measure.
I'll tell him you said bye. He's saying bye.
Excellent.
So let's go back to the map here. So it's as you can see the landmarks. Everything's in 3D. Yep. And then if I were to go to 2D, just so you can kind of see the difference here, we'll go back to 2D. It gives me more of the top-down view.
Okay.
Okay. And again, voice guided, turn by turn, and also, and I'm doing it the wrong way. Sorry. It does it in landscape mode as well. So if you want to, put it up on a dash, you can do that as well. So it'd be just like a Garmin or other personal device.